in this video, I will show you how to change header font size on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to find the website that you want to change the header font size for. And once you're in that website, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to website and we're going to go to pages. On the pages, we're going to locate the header that we want to change the font size for. And once we locate it, we're going to locate the item that we want to change the font size for. And once you find that item, we're going to left click on that item and we're going to click on inspect. Now this is to find the exact class that this item belongs to. And as we can see, if we open this up a bit, we're going to go back and we're going to inspect again. This is the link for this particular header. So what we want to find is we want to find the container with the header knife item class, and from there we can pick this link. Now from here we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to custom code and we're going to go to custom CSS. Now in the custom CSS, we want to input the nav. You can see the size has already changed. We're going to input the nav, the class for this, and then from there we're going to pick the link. And once we pick the link, we can change the font size to any size that we want. As you can see, as I'm pressing it, it's changing. Now the reason this is not changing is because this is a drop down. So let's do this. Once we change it, we click on save. It should change. Now let's close this up and click on this. This is a drop down and there's nothing in the drop down, as you can see it here. This is the drop down. These are pages, and if I click on this, it says delete drop down. If I confirm delete, now that's gonna go off, and this are links. The rest of these items are links. So if we go to custom CSS and we change this item size, it should change in accordance. Now that's how to change header font size on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.